Imagine this. You walk in and the lights just turn on. No switches, no clapping like train seal, no fumbling around in the dark hitting your shin on the exact same corner of the exact same table for the 400th time. Just magic. No, imagine the opposite. It's 1 a.m., you're in bed, warm, comfortable, at peace with the universe, and the light switch is over there. 6 meters that your brain has categorized as not worth it. So you just lie there in the light like a lizard on the rock. I have considered many solutions to the problem. I could throw something at the switch. I could install a pull cord. I could move the bed closer to the wall. Are reasonable options ignored because I am an engineer. And an engineer don't solve problems simply, they solve them correctly. Okay, let's talk about components, because I know some of you is going to sprint to the comments and say just buy a small book. And yes, we get there. I have a humiliation prepared for myself at the end. First, the Arduino-Uno, the cockroach of microcontrollers. Cheap, indestructible, and it runs on the spiritual energy of 10,000 beginner tutorials. Around 5 to 10 euros, depending on whether you trust Chinese clones. I do. They've never let me down, except that one time. We don't talk about that. Next, the PIR sensor. Passive infrared. It detects the infrared radiation your body emits. It doesn't see you, it feels you, which is slightly creepy, but efficient. Smaller than your thumb. Then, the relay module. This is the bouncer of the circuit. An Arduino can directly control your main lights. It runs on 5 volts and your light runs on 230 volts. And connecting them directly will be a very exciting and very brief experiment. So the relay acts as a switch. Arduino says on. Relay closes the circuit, lights turn on.
The plan is simple. Step 1, we make the circuit in walkway. Step 2, we make it in real life. And step 3, we put it on the lights. Let's start with making the circuit in walkway. We plug the signal from the relay in number 5, the signal from the motion sensor in number 2. Let's go make this in real life and try it.
I just finished making the circuit. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Okay, so it turns on, but as you can see, it turns off because no motion is detected.
What would happen is that the motion sensor would detect motion. It would turn on the relay module, which is turning on the light, and the light would turn off because the motion sensor doesn't detect no motion anymore. How we can fix that is pretty simple. It's making the motion sensor turn it on, but making it not turn off after the motion sensor made it turn on. We can add something later to make it turn off.